Let's talk about branding your YouTube channel and specifically how to create that branded watermark on your video content. Before we get started, my name is Melissa Mitchell and I am the creator of the Video Lead Machine Method and the Video Marketing Accelerator, my group coaching program that shows you how to create a video lead machine that brings you in consistent leads through YouTube. To learn more about this method and how you can implement it in your business, make sure to click the link below this video to sign up for my free masterclass today. Okay, so what is a branded video mark? Well, if you look at the bottom right-hand corner of this video, you're going to see a little logo that's kind of blurred out, right? That's a branded video mark, and that is what we're going to create today. But first, what is the purpose of this watermark? Well, it's a way for you to brand your videos, right? And it also gives another call to action to your viewers to be able to subscribe to your channel. So there's a couple different options here when it comes to what you actually want to create for this video mark. So you could use your logo like I have on my video, or you could create a little graphic for yourselves. I've seen some people use a picture of themselves with a subscribe beside it. I've seen people just use the subscribe button for YouTube, the little red button with the play button inside. There's many different options, but the biggest thing here is you just want to create something to, again, create that call to action for people to subscribe. And it's also nice to kind of have that extra branded touch to your videos. So when I set this up for clients, I usually use Canva to create some sort of little element for them. And then I take that element that I downloaded from Canva and I upload it into YouTube. So let's jump over into my computer and I'll show you step by step how I do this. Okay, so now that I'm in Canva, what I'm gonna do to create this watermark is I'm gonna come up to create a design. I'm gonna pick the logo option and it's gonna open a new tab for me here. Okay, so from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to upload either my logo, or you could do, you can make your own logo, something like that. But for this video, what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to upload the YouTube subscribe symbol as my element that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna go over to elements on the left-hand side here, and I'm just gonna search YouTube. And it's gonna pull up a bunch of different things here for me. So I'm just gonna use this play button here, make it a little bit bigger, just to kind of fill up the whole screen here. Perfect. So now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say YouTube watermark up here. And I'm going to go download. I'm going to pick the second page here because that's the only one we want. And up here, I'm going to say PNG transparent background, okay? And transparent background is another added benefit of having a paid account of Canva. So I really recommend, if you are using Canva for your graphics, that you do get this paid account. It is really worth it. So I say transparent background, I say download. So that's going to download onto my computer into my downloads folder. And while that's downloading, I'm going to come over into YouTube and I'm going to go into click the little icon on the right hand corner here, come into YouTube Studio. So then once I'm over here, I'm going to come into customization on the left hand side here. And then you're going to see a tab called branding. You're going to click on that, and down the third down, you're going to see video watermark. So currently right now, I just have my little logo in the right hand corner, but if you hit this change button here, you can actually, or upload if you haven't uploaded one before, you can actually go and find that watermark that you just created on Canva. So there it is, YouTube watermark. I'm going to say open. And then it's going to let you position it and all that stuff. So you can say done here, and that's going to change it right there. And then you can decide how you want it to be displayed. So you can play at the end of video, you can do a custom start time, or you can do entire video. I'm just going to say entire video, and I'm going to say publish. So now when I say go to channel that just popped up here, I'm going to come down, I'm going to play one of my videos to show you how this works. So when I click on one of my videos here, so now you can see, I'm just going to pause this video here. Now you can see on the bottom right-hand corner that it's now changed to this little subscribe play button that I created instead of the watermark of my logo that I had before. And when I hover over it, it actually says subscribe here. So that's it, guys. It's really simple. Now you can go off and create your own watermark. So there you go. You now know how to create a branded watermark for your videos. I would love to know what else you would like to learn when it comes to YouTube. So make sure to ask your questions in the comments below this video. And if you want to learn more about how to create consistent leads with YouTube, make sure to click the link below this video to sign up for my free masterclass. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. We'll catch you next week.